Hi guys, I am Subhash. Today in this video I am going to unbox Syska 12V smart LED bulb. You see the package look like this with Syska branding on side. On the other side the steps how we can connect the smart bulb to the smartphone. Step by step is there guys. Read it. And on the other side there is a spec sheet. The 12 volts. The price mentioned here is 2199, but I got this for 650 rupees only from Amazon. On the other side there are features available. You can control this with your voice using Google Home and Alexa. And you can download the Syska Home app by scanning these QR codes for Apple OS and iOS. The bulb weighs somewhat heavy. It weighs more than 150 grams. And I connected this bulb with my smartphone, and smartphone the Syska Home app look like this. I am providing my mobile screen for your reference. Here. You see guys how quickly the bulb is responding. There is no delay. If you touch on any color, the bulb immediately changes to that color. There are a lot of colors available: red, green, blue. All the colors are available. What are in RGB spectrum? You see, yes, I am moving around the circle, and the bulb is moving exceptionally fast. And you can select the different colors from these dots also. There are different modes available for different purpose: night mode, dazzling mode, and reading mode. You can also adjust the brightness by using this slider above the app. You see how the brightness changing. And you can also save certain modes, edit it, edit the pre-available modes. There is a dazzling mode, soft mode, laser mode, working mode, night mode, read mode. There are different modes available. You can save them or you can edit them however you want. You can add 3 colors, 4 colors, or 5 to 6 colors. Which color you want. See how it is changing with the slider. Yeah. The flash speed of the bulb, you can control the speed of flash, and you can select how many colors to flash from the above. You can select the speed of the flash. Now here I selected 3 colors, and 3 colors will flash. And flash speed, I can increase the flash speed or decrease the flash speed, and you can save them, or you can also exit without saving them. And here it is another mode. There are 6 colors available. That's it guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys.